Hello everyone, I am Subham Jain. I secured rank 152 in CSE 2022. Till date, I have cleared 3 prelims, and in this brief video, I'll be sharing one basic strategy that I followed while practicing mock test that can also help you increase your prelim score. I will not be discussing how to study or what to study. I will only be discussing how to attempt a question. Alright. So whenever I would study, whenever I would attempt a mock, and I would recommend that all of you should give at least sufficient number of mocks that you are comfortable with the practice. But I would always attempt it in multiple iterations. Okay, multiple iterations. So in the first iteration, I would go through the paper and only mark those which I was 100% sure of. So how I did it, I used to carry 2 different colored pens and 1 pencil to every mock test, 1 black pen, 1 blue pen and 1 pencil. So in my first iteration, I would only mark questions which I was 100% sure of, so that I can manage to see how much I'm sure, how much I'm scoring in a question where I'm sure that I would get it correct. If I get even that wrong, then that's a cause of worry. Okay. So this was my first iteration. My second iteration was basically questions where I was either 50-50 sure that I could eliminate 2 options or less than 50% sure sometimes, okay, that I could eliminate at least 1 option. That was my second iteration. And then my third iteration, towards the very end of the paper, once you have gone through the paper twice, my third iteration would be okay. Without any guesswork, it is very difficult to clear prelims. It is almost necessary to clear prelims. And ये मेरी strategy रहती थी. I would suggest कि ये आप भी कर सकते हैं जितना भी आपको suitable लगे. And if you want, you can replicate this exact same experience with the hand-to-hand program of Kalam IAS.